Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can change your Amazon device from kilometers to miles or miles to kilometers. So right now it should be in kilometers, but I want to change it to miles. Alexa, how far is Northampton?
Northampton is 85.6 kilometers away by car.
So you can see it's in kilometers. To change it to miles, we just need to go into the Amazon Alexa app, and we need to go to devices, which is this icon on the bottom left. And you need to find your device. You can have a look at the symbols on the left hand side and it will give you a clue about what device it is. So I know mine is this one here. And you need to go into settings, which is this gear icon here. And under device settings, we need to work our way down until you see measurement units. So tap that. And at the moment it's in kilometers. We're going to change it to miles, like that. And that is it. We don't have to do anything else. If we come out of that and now ask it the same question, it will be in miles. Alexa, how far is Northampton?
Northampton is 53.2 miles away by car.
There you go. Nice and straightforward. Thanks for watching.